Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Rentley. Here are today's top stories. Union Minister Sarbananda Sonowal downplays border resentment issues, says we will work together. Ayush Ministry to promote the state's traditional practice of medicines. 6 under-trial prisoners escaped from the district prison in Juwai, assault police personnel. And the official committee reviews the state's preparation to host the second Northeast Olympic Games 2022. The news in detail. Minister of Sports, Shipping and Waterways and Ayush Sarbananda Sonowal has downplayed the resentment of border residents on the Interstate Boundary Pact signed by Assam and Meghalaya for resolving the disputes in 6 of the 12 areas in the first phase. The opposition to the Boundary Pact still exists. The groundwork for the second phase has already started. Sonowal, who was in Shillong yesterday, said that there is no problem. We will work and stay together.
Sir, but don't you think that this is a hasty decision, because even from Assam side also there are people who are not happy with this?
We have no problem. We are always together. We will walk together. We will stay together. एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत. हर प्रदेश के व्यक्ति इस यात्रा में निष्ठापूर्वक शामिल हुए हैं और देश को मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में आत्मनिर्भर बनाने के लिए सब सुबह शाम मेहनत करने लगे हैं और ये निश्चित है ये देश दुनिया के सर्वश्रेष्ठ राष्ट्र बनेगा.
Union Minister of Shipping and Ayush Sarbananda Sonowal said that under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, all the ministries putting tremendous efforts for development of the Northeast. Under the Ministry of Ayush, a lot of schemes are being sanctioned in the northeastern part of India, such as the Health and Wellness Centre, Ayush Hospital. Ayush colleges across the northeastern state are being executed by the ministry. He said that Meghalaya will receive tremendous benefit from the Ministry of Ayush. It will further promote the state's traditional practices of medicines. He also said that Northeast Institute of Ayurveda should promote and highlight all available species of plants in Meghalaya used for medicinal purposes.
All the ministries, Government of India is putting the heart and soul for the speedy growth of Northeast. And on the part of the Ministry of Ayush, we are also sanctioning a lot of schemes. So I believe in this sector, the people of Meghalaya is also going to get tremendous benefit, and we are here to promote the traditional practices through our scientific research and study, and this is going to play a very important role for the available species of medicinal plants that is there in Meghalaya.
Superintendent of District Prison and Correctional Services Juwai said that 5 under-trial prisoners and 1 convict have escaped from the district prison Juwai after assaulting security personnel who were on duty at around 1 p.m. on Saturday afternoon. A staff of the district jail entered the cell to serve them tea, and they assaulted and made their escape. The gang then attacked the jail staff, stabbing him at the second gate and unlocking the gate and reaching the office area of the jail. The armed policemen on duty fired in the air to warn them, but this did not deter them as they were hell-bent on escaping. According to sources, 4 out of the 6 prisoners who escaped from the district prison were captured today by the local villagers at Changpung. Their condition is said to be critical. The National People Youth Front organized a voluntary blood donation camp at Nongstoin. Youth from the district took active part in the blood donation camp. Macmillan Bursat, MLA of Nongstoin constituency, attended the program and encouraged people to come forward and donate blood and help those who are in need of blood.
Kawan bagay ke program sa kasini kepala saya, nagaling juga NPYS juga New Nongstoin. Kapag resume kata sinjam kaba dongkam hadu kata-kata. Nganapakat kini ke program sosial leisukan penong tanggal New Nongstoin unit dan sisunong lare ban penlong sundan da kawai ki konstitusi ban persutui ki pai ba ban yalami ki pai ba ban batai ki pai ba pakai jing aisnam kai rap wi ko ka kia jong ta ba aisnam kai jing aisnam kai rap wi ki wei pat ki ba yo jim toi na kata nama pakai jing sem jin ja jungi hagani ka than ka long ba kat ki ba shita ma shulong kat padon kam snam undang ki bawan sakmat na ka than ka dong jing.
Meghalaya is all set to host the second Northeast Olympic Games 2022, which is scheduled to be held from October 30th to November 6th, 2022. Approximately 4,000 participants, including athletes, technical staff and volunteers, are expected to participate in the Games. Athletes from all northeastern states including Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim and Tripura will be competing. The preparations for the Games are going on and a committee was formed which has reviewed the preparations of the game.
All the committees that are formed, they did a joint inspection of various venues, and where we are going to organize the game. We went to Nehu to see the locations in the Sai. We are going to conduct football, table tennis, and athletics and multiple other things. And we have given our feedback to the venue development committee, which will then collate all the feedback and everything that they have received, and then we will plan out how to take this forward.
Technique committees hakajing likmi mentaksi la likmi yaborok kini ki venues mentaksi hakabangi lala ban ya bishar ya kini ki khatlai tili ki jela kai borok ki committee kila shim kila note down ki jong ki points ki lu jingduna ki lu jing don kam ban kan long ka ba jela kai ki bujong.
Piyush Goyal has said that India is on the path to becoming a powerhouse driving global growth by 2047. He said this while interacting with the business community of Southern California. The minister added that the transformational work happening in India has taken the country to 5th place among world economies. Goyal said the conclusion of the Indo-Pacific economic framework is an important milestone for free and fair trade with like-minded countries who share a common objective to have rule-based international order and a transparent economic system. Let's quickly look at the weather. The maximum temperature was 26.5 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature at 17.5 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 77%, dropping marginally to 74% in the evening. The forecast tells us moderate rain is very likely to occur at many places. Our news bulletin is available live on our YouTube channel, and in addition to watching on television, viewers can now visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And now for a quick recap of today's top stories. Union Minister Sarbananda Sonowal downplays border resentment issues, says we will work together. Ayush Ministry to promote the state's traditional practices of medicines. 6 under trial prisoners escaped from district prison Jowai, assault police personnel. And official committee reviews state's preparations to host the second Northeast Olympic Games 2022. That's all we have in today's news. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Have a good evening and stay safe.